how's it going, you guys? Rokai here, back out again with another video. And today we're gonna install the front lip of the 2019 Toyota Corolla hatchback. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is how the new lip looks like. It is carbon fiber style and it is a 3-piece set. It closely matches the carbon fiber hood wrap that I did. Now, the one that I have currently is custom made. So what I did was I bought this from eBay and it was a 3-piece as well. But what I did was I came here under this lip, carbon lip. I molded it into one whole piece, as you can see. And after I molded it in, I put this carbon lip on there. So yeah, so this is how my old one looks like. And now I'm gonna add this one on. So yeah, let's see how it looks. Alright, so I'm using a 10mm to take out the bolts from the bottom. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright, so my old one is out. Alright, so this is how my old one looks like. I'll flip it over. So I did some customized work to it. I did break it a couple of times, so I reinforced it with wood. And I bonded it together so it'll be one piece. Alright guys, so I'm just test fitting the new lip spoiler on there. I'll just show you guys how it looks. Alright, so it came with screws provided for this. But what I'm gonna do is prep the underside. Let me get a better shot. So I'm gonna prep the underside here with some alcohol wipes and have a nice clean surface so I could put the double stick tape on there, and then I'm gonna screw it in. All right, so let's get to it. All right, so this is how my car looks like when the lip is off of the car. And then it's gonna be time to install that new lips splitter. So in this kit, it came with screws to piece together the 3-piece kit, as you can see right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So first, you unline it. Flip this over a little bit. Align it. Okay, it looks good. Hold it together, and take the screw and just screw it in. That's so. Alright, so it's all tied up now, as you can see. It looks good. There's no gaps in between. Okay, so this part is done. Now it's time to jack up the car, clean the underside, and drill some holes into the new bumper. Alright guys, so before jacking up the car, make sure to put some 2x4s for added safety so it doesn't roll down. And onto the other side. Alright. Okay, that should do it. Now it's time to jack up the car. Alright, well, it was getting too hot, so I decided to put the car inside. Now I put the 2x4s in the back and I'm gonna jack up the car. But before I do that, just wanted to show you the difference between the new one, as you can't see, and the old one. So yeah, that's the difference between those two. All right, now it's time to install this. All right, guys, so the car is all jacked up. When working under the car, like always, let's do a shake test. Okay, so it's not gonna go anywhere. All right, so let's take these pads and clean this off so we can put the double stick tape on. All right, so we got our double stick tape. This is the Corolla double stick tape. It holds up to 60 pounds. And then we're gonna carefully lay it out. Okay. Pull this out like this. And then put it on. And then it is on a curve. So what I'm gonna do is cut it. Like so. Put this on. And guys, so the front lip splitter is all installed. What do you guys think? I think it looks way better than before.